Hi guys and welcome here on my YouTube channel. In today's video we're gonna unbox the Cult Conscious Goody Bag from Cult Beauty. The Cult Conscious Goody Bag contains 13 products that worth over 275 pounds and is yours for free with a spend of 125 pounds on the Cult Beauty website. To be honest, in the last time I'm not amazed by the Cult Beauty goodie bags. At least the previous one, it didn't pique my interest at all, even that the goodie bag had only full-size products inside. I glanced at the products that the Cult Conscious goodie bag contains, and we found all of them in previous Cult Beauty goodie bags or Cult Beauty beauty boxes, and this is a bit disappointing. Okay, beautiful people, let's find out what is hiding in the Cult Conscious goodie bag. Product number 1 is from Briogeo, is a hair care product. Is the Scalp Revival Charcoal plus Coconut Oil Micro Exfoliating Shampoo. Designed for dry, itchy scalp, this micro exfoliating and clarifying shampoo exfoliates, soothes, and balances for optimal scalp health. I know this product well, I tried it in the past and I didn't like it. It makes the hair washing longer and more difficult. Product number 2 is from Philip Kingsley Elasticizer Deep Conditioning Treatment. This cult favorite pre-shampoo treatment boosts elasticity, manageability, shine, and moisture levels without weighing hair down. This is a very good hair treatment, leaves the hair smooth, shiny and healthy. I love it. I have it in my bathroom, is one of my favorite hair products. Product number 3 is from the brand Hum, Flatter Me, supports a flatter stomach and healthy digestion. Designed to ease bloating and improving digestion, these supplements are the ultimate support for your gut. Guys, I am not agree to find food supplements in a goodie bag. I think that dietary supplements are individual, you need to choose them. In my opinion, is not the best idea to put them in a beauty goodie bag. Product number 4 is from Biossance, Squalane and Elderberry Jelly Cleanser, Facial Cleanser and Makeup Remover. Melt away waterproof makeup and impurities with this gentle and effective cleanser, formulated for all skin types. Fifth product from the goodie bag is from the brand Audacité, Eye Contour Serum Concentrate. Rejuvenate tired eyes with this vitamin-powered serum that targets the visibility of puffiness, fine lines, and dark circles. I am using this product in my current skincare routine and I like it a lot. It is an oily based product. The most I like that it has a metal roller applicator. I store it in my bathroom and in the morning when I roll it under my eyes, the applicator is cold and it feels so good. Like it a lot. Product number 6 is from the brand, I hope I will spell it right, Rituel de Fil, Color Nectar Pigment Balm. Translucent, everyday color for eyes, lips and cheeks. Blendable, vibrant, moisturizing and easy to apply. I have this multitasking balm in the same shade, Bee Sting. This is mine, is a beautiful product, easy to use, is blending effortless, it has a good pigmentation, a very good product. For me it works perfect as a blusher. Product number 7 is from Verso Super Eye Serum with Retinol 8. I tried on this eye serum and was good, was nourishing, a good eye serum. Product number 8 is a sample from Augustinus Bader, the Rich Cream, richly hydrating. This groundbreaking formula promotes long-term rejuvenation and instant dewiness. A very good face cream, is rich, is heavy, is moisturizing, is perfect for me. Next we have a product from ESPA, Tri-Active Resilience, Rest and Recovery Night Balm, a nourishing balm blended from antioxidant-rich willow herb, smoothing bamboo and calming patchouli that promotes strong, resilient skin as you sleep. Product number 10 is from the brand 1999 Beauty Precision Color Pencil in the shade Barna, a multitasking pigment pencil that delivers creamy pigment to your lids, lips and your cheeks. I have on this pencil in the same shade. I hope the shade name is visible on the camera. It's a beautiful and creamy pencil, easy to trace the line with, is blending effortless, but the bad side is that it doesn't resist, it is easily erased. 11th product from the goodie bag is the Super Hydrator from CULTBEAUTY. This hard-working moisturizer hydrates the skin for up to 48 hours. I tried on this face serum and was okay, was hydrating, was nourishing, but wasn't wow. Product number 12 is from Lano Lips Everywhere Multitasking Cream. Day or night, face or body, this multitasking moisturizer soothes, hydrates and nourishes via a cocktail of lanolin, nut oils, vitamin E and more. I had on this product in the past and it's great, moisturizes the skin well. I use it as a hand cream and was great. Happy to have it again. And the last product from the goodie bag, product number 13, is from Supergoop Glow Screen SPF 30. Giving you a lit from within glow, this SPF primer is suitable for all skin types, working to flood skin with moisture via a unique blend of hyaluronic acid with B5 that leaves skin looking supple, plump and dewy. I have on this SPF from Supergoop and I cannot say that I am over the moon about it. On my skin it looks heavy and greasy and I don't like that. I don't know if the camera will catch the shine of this product. Okay, beautiful people, here are all the products from the Cult Conscious goodie bag. I will not say anything about it, I will let you judge and tell your opinion about it. What do you think, guys, about this goodie bag? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below this video. And this was today's video, I hope you like it. Thank you for watching and see you soon. Bye!